Hey guys, it's Dale with the insurance. Today we're talking about an article that it involves small businesses, but it also is important for customers as well. In fact, without reading this article, I just kind of did what the article stipulates a customer should do in a certain situation. The title of the article is General Liability Insurance Certificate Explained, right? So this GL certificate for small business owners and contractors in particular, and those workers and folks in the small business industry and community that sell their services and are looking to instill trust in their customer, right? A general liability insurance certificate is almost a must, right? For example, we have and this is an example of an independent contractor. It shows both sides of how this certificate works, right? From the side of the small business owner, it's a token of, hey, I'm covered if anything should happen from my work. Just rest assured that you'll be covered by this insurance, right? You will be paid by this insurance. So that obviously provides a quiver in that independent contractor's hat versus those contractors that can't show you a certificate of insurance. And it also makes it puts the client at ease, right? So case in point, we had like a 1980s satellite dish next to our house. And I mean, this dish was enormous, right? So the diameter had to be about 10 feet, I bet. But it was old school, 1980s. This is how people got cable back in the day. And when the wind would blow, you could kind of hear it sway ever so slightly and kind of brush up against the home, which made it kind of hard to sleep when the wind would blow. So blow hard. It wasn't every day, but enough that you'd notice. So as you can imagine, unique situation, but I went search for a contractor who took down old satellites. And there are a few guys that did it. Part of the process of vetting these contractors was, hey, do you have a certificate of liability? Do you have a GL insurance certificate? There were a few that when I asked, kind of shied away, didn't hear much from them, couldn't produce it. They were obviously removed from consideration. There were a few guys that actually produced their certificate, and on this certificate, it shows you obviously the policy effective date, shows you the company that's insuring the contractor, and then it shows the limits and deductibles. And once I saw that, not saying that was the only factor in which we used to make a decision, but it certainly put us at ease if something happened, if this satellite were to fall on our home. It's not as if I'm going to go and sue this independent contractor to have him pay for our home. We will file a claim with his insurance company and it will get paid, right? This is precisely what he has insurance for. So this is where a GL insurance certificate comes into play. It's free of charge. Oftentimes when the policy is issued, the insurance company will actually issue this for you. But if they do not, make sure you go and get a copy of it because it is a good sales point for an independent contractor. And sometimes it may be a requirement to sign a lease, right? So like if you are a company going into a commercial building, they're going to make sure that you have GL, because if someone slips and falls on your property or something happens to a customer on your property, not only can that customer sue you, but they can sue the landlord as well of the entire commercial property. So it's in the landlord's best interest to make sure everybody that's renting a unit or renting space within that or operating within that commercial property has GL, right? So it could be a requirement of the contract. So very important, but a little detail that could help you, put you over the top in terms of gaining more clientele and being the piece to actually sell a client on your services, which it truly was for me. Hopefully this is helpful. Thanks for stopping by, guys. We'll chat next week. Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. And if you really liked it, hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. We love hearing from you. We love hearing from our viewers. So be sure to leave a comment below with your thoughts on this video, and we'll see you in the next one.